Alright, let's go show you guys where the Erdtree's favor is. You'll need 2 stone sword keys to unlock this. As soon as this goes back up, I'll take this plunge. That makes this route very, very safe and very forgiving. If you just drop here, and then take care of these imps, then you can take out that fire thing by just hitting it with an arrow. When you get into this big room, there will be a grafted scion on the roof in 2 locations. They'll only drop once you approach this corpse, which will have the Erdtree's favor on it. One will drop here, and one will drop on the other end of the bridge.